Our coverage continues of the recent wheat field day at the North Central Research Station at Lahoma. Today, OSU Ferguson College of Agriculture students demonstrating in the field what's known as the new wheat rover, designed to make data collection easier for researchers. SUNUP's Elizabeth Hokett put together our story.
A unique piece of equipment designed to help out during a busy season. Today at the Lahoma Field Day, producers get a first-hand look at how it could make their lives easier.
Yeah, so behind us we have a wheat rover. It's a remote-controlled cart designed to drive over wheat rows and take pictures for data collection to assess wheat health and how well it's growing.
Eli Reynolds, a recent graduate of the OSU Biosystems and Agricultural Engineering program, is one of the students who helped design the latest version of the rover.
So the Biosystems and Agricultural Engineering department had manufactured wheat carts in the past, and me and my partner came up with our own original design, both modeled and manufactured by ourselves, to try to fix the problems that the other carts had in the past. So it's a completely unique design based off of what the department has done in past iterations.
With support from researchers like Amanda Silva, the cart is making its way to the wheat fields.
So this is a project that we are very excited about. It's one step that Oklahoma State University is taking into using technology to help us provide information for farmers. And so it's not only using this phenotyping cart for research, but also for extension purposes. I think this will be a great tool for us to improve the way or our efficiency by which we characterize the varieties that we test in the program, the efficiency by which we develop varieties at Oklahoma State University, and also that we provide information for farmers.
With massive amounts of data to collect, efficiency is key.
So nowadays, everything that we do in our programs is by hand. So we have a lot of people just collecting plants, collecting biomass, counting number of plants, measuring plant height, plant growth, doing head counts, doing a lot of laborious work like first hollow stem measurements. And so what we are really looking is how can we improve this variety characterization using sensors.
We have to offer different solutions, different ways to work better, more efficiency, and have a high precision, accurate data collection for research in the future.
PhD student Francisco Espero brings his field knowledge to the table during the engineering process.
In the case of the breeders, the plant breeders, they have more than 1,000 plots. They have to evaluate and collect data every day. Almost every day. So thinking in that, we opt for a build design this phenotyping card.
It takes a lot of man hours out of counting and looking at fields visually. It also takes away a lot of human error. You're leaving it to a program that will operate the same every time. And we've created something that can be used by almost anybody. And so it opens opportunities for a lot of people who may not have experience to be able to use something that's user-friendly and really efficient at what they're trying to accomplish.
In these sensors, we can have different ways to measure different things in the plant, like plant height, plant color, that would help us to understand a little bit more on the plant health on growth stage. That is really important for our management purposes. And so those are a few traits that we are really looking into using this wheat rover to start collecting data.
And this isn't just benefiting producers.
This is also a great opportunity for students to work with technology, to learn using technology, not only in the lab, but also how things really work in the field as crops are growing and the things that we need to keep in mind when using technology.
So you gain a lot of really good insight about what a customer is actually looking for, and it's really helpful to take that work outside of the classroom and apply it in a real-world setting where there's real things involved like wheat and expectations from somebody on a project that you're going to complete.
Boosting efficiency, teaching students, and changing the future of wheat research. From the North Central Research Station in Lahoma, I'm Elizabeth Hokett.